That's what I'm saying, guys. I officially sucks at ramp driving. Okay. I wonder what we lose. I think we lost the wing. Or a part of it. Yep. It's a little bit too cold outside. Jesus. I think I can fix that. What an animal. So windy. That's the way it is, guys. That's it. Well, found the issue. Snapped the front diff case. Well, that's it, guys. New diffs gonna be ordered because I probably smoked that. And the front diff house, I'm not sure if I got any at home. So anyway, did some good launches. Well worth it. At least I got to try to jump it properly. But to land on the asphalt is never a good idea. Even hard gravel, it's still such a dramatic abuse of the car. So I'm not surprised, to be honest. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.